Here's some practical tips to make your life at home easier. Don't do this. To dry your shoes the smart way, use a plastic bag and a hanger. Much better. Did you know that you can use mild bleach to remove stains from plastic chopping boards? A few sheets of paper toweling and the stains are gone. Oops! Here's how to correctly use the small hooks on a hanger. No more slippage. Here's a foolproof method to get any sauce to come out of the bottle. Easy. This tip will be very useful when preparing parcels and packages. Very precise. To remove stubborn stains, a steel wool sponge is what you need. Gone. Hat lost its shape? Roll up a towel and place it inside. Wet the surface and dry it with a hot hairdryer. Wow, as good as new. Create a DIY bag dispenser by recycling an empty tissue box. Indispensable in the kitchen. What a disaster! Don't worry, with a hot iron, you can remove the wax in a jiffy. Problem solved. A spice dispenser bottle works best if you rub the base with the bottom of another spice bottle. Unpleasant smells from the fridge? The cause could be excess humidity. Combat unpleasant odors by cutting up face masks. Reuse the elastic bands to close the bags. To combat humidity, you can use baking soda. A great DIY remedy. Try this ingenious method to clean glass perfectly. Say goodbye to streaks. Limescale stains? Problem solved. Vitamin C is not only useful for your well-being, but is also useful for plants. It protects them, makes them stronger, and promotes growth. Expired sunscreen? Here's how to use it at home. Polishes and nourishes multiple surfaces. Try it on wood, leather, and stainless steel surfaces. By adding a little sugar, you can even make a hand scrub. Blocked drain? Try this remedy with boiling water, dishwashing liquid, baking soda, and vinegar. Blockage cleared. What a mess! First, use a spoon to prevent the spill from spreading. Just a little warm water will be enough to remove the stain completely. As good as new. There's still a bit of detergent in the bottle. Don't waste it. Just dilute it in a little water and it's still usable. Here's an alternative way to use a pillowcase. Ingenious. The shutters need a good clean. But this way, you can't get into the hard-to-reach spots. Use a knife. Much more effective. Now they are properly cleaned. You're using the laundry detergent pods incorrectly. Put them inside a laundry bag. Don't know where to put your drink down? Problem solved. Using this tip, hanging up pictures will be a piece of cake. Perfect. It's important to periodically clean the oven's extractor hood filters. You can easily put them in the dishwasher along with the rest of the dishes. They will come out super clean. Carrier handle broken? Here's how to repair this easily. Now you can carry the jug again. Don't put your pillows down like this. Turn the open sides inward. Citric acid is a powerful, all-natural limescale remover. Check out how quickly it returns the shine to stainless steel. It looks like the drain is clogged. Clear it in a jiffy with baking soda, dishwashing liquid, and boiling water. Empty a bottle of water into the drain to clear the blockage. Immediately effective. Here's an anti-waste tip. Like this, the package will be completely emptied, quickly and without wasting any contents. A few drops of essential oil are enough to perfume all the drawers, hampers, and closets in the house. The scent will last for a long time and make the room smell fresher. Potato peeler not working properly? Use the bottom of a mug to sharpen the blade. It really works. Mismatched socks? Reuse them like this. Pots and pans will be protected from scratches. You're using your hairband incorrectly. The ears are placed behind your neck and are used to tie up your hair. Much better.